All right, so next very important concept that I would like to cover with you is keeping a track of your inspiration accounts. This is kind of like your swipe file that you will often refer to. I do this for all of my channels, and I recommend that you do the same. You keep a list, you always update that list while you're browsing. If you see an interesting profile or an interesting concept or an interesting thumbnail or whatever it might be, and you refer back to it frequently. Let me show you exactly what I mean. So this is my swipe file. I've got a spreadsheet like this. I constantly update it, and I put the following columns. I've got a name of the channel, I've got the URL of the channel, date added, and any notes that I'm keeping about that channel. So I recommend that you do the same. Basically what I do is when I'm on YouTube, or when I'm on Instagram, when I'm on Facebook, if I see something that catches my eye, I will add it generally to the appropriate sheet. I've got a similar sheet for Instagram, for Facebook, and so on. So as you're browsing YouTube, for example, you might see a short that caught your eye, for example, beginner DJing versus pro DJing. If you think that that's an interesting video, and it's in my niche, it has 560,000 views, perhaps you might want to open that up. Then you might want to open up the channel of the person who's actually released that short. Then take a look, and if you think, well, this is cool, like I actually want to build a channel that is similar to this in the DJ niche, I might just take this URL of this channel and I'll add it to the shortlist, so to speak. Likewise, let's say if your niche is how to bake bread, you might search for how to bake bread in YouTube search, then select, instead of all at the top, just select shorts here at the top. Then take a look at what kind of videos do well ranking for this search term. Okay, so we can see that there is, for example, a video with 549,000 views from a channel that only has 26,000 views. So you might want to open it up, and if you think, okay, this is actually the kind of video that I would like to make, let's see what else this channel makes. Take a look at their shorts, think, okay, this is actually quite achievable and doable, I want to shortlist it. Then you'll go and store this URL in your spreadsheet. Same thing with Instagram. As you're browsing Instagram, if you see something that catches your eye and it's in your niche, I would recommend to take note of the account and add it to your shortlist. This way, basically, you can refer to this shortlist frequently if you're stuck for ideas, stuck for topics, or just need a little bit of inspiration. Maybe you need some fresh thinking. You can always go back through the list, look at those targeted accounts, see what kind of content they're posting, see what kind of content does well for them, and that will give you a lot of ideas as you're researching your content and if you're ever feeling stuck.